Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset Etihad Airways password. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Etihad account, which of course I have done right here. How can you create an account on Etihad? Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. Right there in the search bar, type etihad.com and that's going to take you to the official website for Etihad. Once you get in there, follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Etihad. Now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to reset Etihad Airways password. From your homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have the first name of your name, or the first letter of your name. So go ahead and click that -M, and here you have this option that says view profile. So go ahead and click on view profile. So it takes you right into this profile window where you have personal details, you have password, you have contact details, you have family membership, you have passenger information, you have help us know better and preferences. So head over to the password category and click on change password. So over here, marked fields are mandatory. It means you have to enter your current password here. So whatever password you want to give it, enter your current password. Let's say this is my current password, and my new password, enter my new password. And my new password, now you have this on-screen information that says your password must be a minimum of 8 characters, must contain at least one uppercase, at least one lowercase letter, and at least one numeric value. Special characters are allowed. So you can do that so that this can be turned strong. All right, so once you follow this on-screen information, go ahead and repeat the password. Repeat the password means whatever you added here in new password, repeat the same process here. Then go ahead and click on save. All right, because this is going to be saved, so you'll be able to save your password. Right, my current password here is not correct because I just feel that's something different. Okay, so I'm just going to go X on this. So once you enter your current password, your new password, and repeat password, go ahead and click on save, or go ahead and click on change, and your password will be saved. So I'm just going to refresh this page so you can go over the process again. So here we go. Current password, new password, repeat password, click change password. That's how to reset your Etihad Airways password. I can go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.